Today I'm going to share with you how to make sweet and savory crepes here on Jen's Creativity Corner. You're going to need a half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter melted, 2 eggs, a half cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So you're going to combine all of your wet ingredients and also your salt. And that'll include your eggs. Beat it up thoroughly before you add in your dry ingredients. For crepes, you don't want a lot of gluten in building, so you don't want to stir too crazy once we get that in. You'll put your melted butter in right beforehand and then just mix it until it is a good homogeneous mix, no big clumps or anything. If you do this in a blender, it's also a really quick way to do it, and make sure you don't get any lumps. I'm going to take a pan, get it preheated, and oil or butter it up. And then your first crepe is always going to be kind of a wash. It's just you're getting the pan ready, not the right amount of oil or the right heat. It's always going to look a little ugly, but it's still going to taste amazing. So just be warned. If you're looking for the exact amount and perfect presentation, that first one's never going to work out. I think it's that way with pancakes too. So anyway, once you get it, you just got a small pan non-stick and use a measuring cup, put it in there, roll it around. Crepes are really simple. I don't know why people are intimidated by them. It's hard to mess it up. I think the trickiest thing is just time. It takes time because you have to do them one by one. So if you've got 4 burners and 4 pans of the same size, I guess that would make it quicker, but at least they are quick individually. So it is best to use them when they're fresh, they're nice, and they're pliable, and they're foldable. 3 traditional ways to eat them is to fold it in half, fold it in quarters, and also to roll it. Now this is just a very plain canvas, so at this point you could do sweet or savory. Sweet options, we've got Nutella. Here I'm showing you some homemade lemon curd that's going to be in a video coming up soon, but also things like fresh fruit, whipped cream, even just some lemon juice and sugar, or sugar and cinnamon, and a little dusting of powdered sugar, and tasty as can be. Now for savory, I am doing a spinach crepe, and you can either blend it like I do, which is all the way pulverized, or you can do just a little bit of blending, enough to have like kind of small chunks, kind of more confetti looking. Either way, spinach is a nice base. It's kind of like in my smoothies. I like to do a lot of spinach because it doesn't really have that much flavor. So you could probably even get away with doing sweet, but I figure might as well go savory. And you're going to go through that same procedure of cooking it. Obviously it's not going to look the same with browning, but with this, some ideas that I like, if you want to serve it cold but still fresh, is to do like an herbed chive cream cheese spread, or you could do a chicken salad. Thing that I'm going to show you here didn't have an exact recipe, just kind of made it up as I went. I took some butter and some cremini mushrooms and just sauteed them, put in some garlic, and then cream cheese and water, actually, because it was just too thick, and made it all a delicious mix. So creamy. Seriously recommend it. And in this case, you can have warm crepes, though they won't keep their temperature for too long, and you can just have room temperature and just put the filling right in it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you make some crepes, or if you enjoy crepes, what are your favorite fillings? I hope this makes them a little less intimidating to make, and stay tuned for that lemon curd video and other cooking and crafting videos on my channel here. I appreciate your support by subscribing and that thumbs up video if you too enjoy these tasty treats. Have a wonderful day and share away.